So guys, now we have this. You suppose it's in two places. That would have been more stronger, but you already see they have added some glue to it and it didn't work. So we are going to attempt to use a plastic weld to see what we are going to do with it. 6,
7.
So let's get down to business and see what is gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. Will it not weld it? Okay. Want to position it well enough. Just whew. Okay, hold on buddy, because it's about to go down. Cheese. Now release it. Blow some air. Let go. Boom. Now we're gonna hit him on the back. Where is the second one? Gonna hit it on the back. These guys are genius. I don't know the company that did this product, but this is a hell of a product. They think a lot of things here. Now I have made a mistake. It's not bending straight, but it's already rigid. So I wanna put the second one here. Somewhere here. Let me flip it this way so now look at what I'm saying, because I was trying to position so you can see it bent out a little bit. But let's go and do some cheese again. Say cheese. Okay, now release it, get some air. Now pull it off. Now she's up. There is no super glue in the world that could actually hold this as strong as this. So right now we're done. Nah, it's never gonna break easily. Here. So guys, okay guys, catch you later.